we are going to have a particular conversation based on the Diwali celebrations. And I have with me someone from Gold Classes family, and she is willing to speak something. So, firstly, I want to welcome you, on behalf of Gold Classes, to be here in this particular conversation. And I want to know from you, what is your state of mind joining this conversation, ahead of the Diwali celebrations. I think this is a celebration that is likely to take place, but we are recording this session in order to send a message to the viewers and audiences from YouTube. So firstly, I want to know, how are you feeling joining this conversation?
Yeah, of course, sir. Very firstly, thank you so much for having me.
Yeah.
I'm so thrilled to be sitting here and super excited to be part of this conversation.
Yeah, amazing. So, firstly, before I move ahead and ask some more questions to you, I want to know from you, actually, to let my viewers know about you. Please tell us something about yourself. This is my question to you. This is my first question. I want to know something from you on behalf of my listeners.
First and foremost, before I begin, I would like to say a very special good evening to all of you. It's my pleasure to introduce myself.
Yeah.
My name is Shivalika Singh. When it comes to my academic qualification, I have done my post graduation in sociology. Apart from this, I did my diploma in elementary education. That's all about me.
Yeah. So moving ahead to the main point of conversation, that we are sitting here for, and the main area of our area of concern is for today. Diwali celebrations. So we are recording this session in order to give a message to the viewers that the Diwali celebration is very important, and this is especially a celebration of Hindus in India. But Diwali is a term that was used for to show your happiness. And if we talk about Indians, they always primarily focus on one thing, that Lord Rama came back after 14 years of exile, and he rescued Sita, finally from the captivity of demon king Ravana. So festival has a religious significance, as well as in other terms, if we talk about in Sikhs and Jains, they also celebrate it in a different way. We are talking about this festival of lights, और इस संबंध में मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूं कि ये जो दीपों का पर्व दीपावली है, इसके बारे में आप अभी क्या कहना चाहेंगे? सो व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन अबाउट दीपावली? प्लीज टेल अस अ लिटिल बिट so that people may listen what we are discussing here in this conversation.
Yeah, all right, sir. It's good question for me.
Yeah.
In order to answer your question,
yeah,
I want to share with you. As far as we know, it is the festival of lights, and I love so much this festival, Diwali.
Yeah, as you told here, like you love this festival of lights. Actually,
Yeah.
we have some other festivals in India, like festival of colors, and but what is the reason behind that you like it very much? And actually कुछ तो खास बातें होती हैं हमारी, जो दीपावली को लेकर के अभी आपकी एक्साइटमेंट ज्यादा है। तो अभी क्या है कि कैसे आपको लगता है कि अच्छा एक पर्व है? और मुझे जहां तक लगता है कि दीपावली में लोग हमेशा नए कपड़े पहनते हैं, और मतलब दे एक्सचेंज गिफ्ट, स्वीट्स, एंड फ्रेंड्स ऑलवेज मीट ईच अदर, वन अनदर, आई हैव सीन. So this is really a festival that gives a message, a clear message to the whole society, that we should be united, we should play our part, we should always pay respect to the people in general. So आपसे मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि दीपावली के बारे में अभी आप, अगर मैं बात करूँ तो particularly as from girls community, what exactly do you think about that? Please थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में कुछ कहिए.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, of course, sir. If I talk about Diwali, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि यह एक प्रकाश का पर्व है, और ये हमें बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत दिन से अपने घर में घर की साफ सफाई करते हैं, और अपने घर का कोना कोना साफ करते हैं, क्योंकि ना इस दिन हम बहुत ज्यादा एंजॉय करते हैं, जैसे कि हम अपने फ्रेंड्स में मिठाइयां बांटना।
और जहां तक मेरा मानना है, बच्चे भी काफी एक्साइटेड नजर आते हैं इस पर्व को लेकर के। तो अभी मैंने देखा है कि मतलब in the Google era, अभी I can say, people are, they are killing their times on smartphones, but this is the only festival where I can see we find people involved physically. They also decorate their homes and they light candles. But the reason behind that is, मेरा मानना यह है कि गॉडेस लक्ष्मी का भी पूजा होता है बड़े ही एक उत्साह के साथ। और ऐसा माना जाता है कि दिस इज द पर्टिकुलर डे कि हमारे घर के अंदर लक्ष्मी का प्रवेश होता है। और अभी हम लोग घरों को इसीलिए सजाते हैं, जैसा कि इसलिए सजाते हैं कि हमें मतलब कि हमारे अंदर क्या है कि प्रॉस्पेरिटी, वेल्थ और इन सारी चीजों की जो है ना कि इनकमिंग जारी रहे। तो दैट इज माय थॉट अबाउट दैट। तो अभी आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या ये ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट है, अभी हमारे हिंदू माइथोलॉजी में लोग मानते हैं कि लक्ष्मी का आगमन होता है हमारे घर में और इसीलिए शायद हम लोग घरों को सजाते हैं?
या ऑफ कोर्स सर, आई एग्री विथ यू। मेरा मानना है कि लक्ष्मी जी का आगमन होता है इस दिन, और हम अपने घर को साफ रखते हैं। और
Okay, so moving ahead, I want to know from you कि Deepavali is not a festival of lights only, but it gives us a clear message that we should light candles in our own lives as well. Like wherever there is darkness in any corner, you should try to remove it. So the message is that whatever wrongdoings we did in the past, we should try to improve ourselves. We should try to polish ourselves. Whatever wrong things that we did, we should try to put a curb on that and try to start doing something new. That is the message from the festival that we are getting. आपसे मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि अभी दीपावली से क्या हमें संदेश मिलता है, हमें क्या फाइनली एक मतलब हर एक पर्व के पीछे मुझे लगता है कि इंसान की एक कहीं ना कहीं से एक ऐसी सोच होती है कि इस समाज को हम एक अच्छा संदेश दें, अपने अंदर कुछ पॉजिटिविटी लेकर के आए। इसके संबंध में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
हाँ, हाँ, या ऑफ कोर्स सर, जैसा कि आपने कहा, मेरा मानना है कि दिवाली एक हमें संदेश लेके आता है। जैसे कि ये प्रकाश का पर्व है, तो हमें भी अपनी लाइफ में अंधकार को हटा के एक प्रकाश लाना चाहिए। एक सकारात्मक की भावना होनी चाहिए। जैसे कि समाज में जो भी बुराइयां चल रही हो, थोड़ा उन पे ध्यान दें और कुछ अच्छा करने की कोशिश करें।
आपका कहना यह है कि मतलब हमें हर एक व्यक्ति को कुछ ऐसा करना चाहिए ताकि जो जो समाज के अंदर फैली हुई कुरीतियां हैं और कहीं ना कहीं से इन द सेंस की डार्कनेस जो किसी भी कॉर्नर में है, लाइक अभी हम देख सकते हैं कि क्राइम्स बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, लोगों की जो सोच है अभी भी कहीं ना कहीं से लोगों के अंदर भेदभाव या किसी चीज को लेकर के, क्षेत्र को लेकर के, एक पर्टिकुलर धर्म जाति को लेकर के लोगों के अंदर वैमनस्यता है। तो कहीं ना कहीं से ये फेस्टिवल भी हमें एक संदेश ही लेकर के आया है कि हमें एक हार्मनी में, एक सामंजस्य के साथ रहना चाहिए। तो इसके संबंध में आपको क्या मतलब क्या मानना है कि क्या हमें एक पर्व ये हमें ये संदेश देता है कि हमें हमेशा यूनाइटेड रहना चाहिए, हमें एक सामंजस्य के साथ रहना चाहिए?
जैसा कि आपने कहा सर, यह बहुत ही अच्छा त्योहार है और मुझे लगता है कि इसे हमें बहुत कुछ सीखना चाहिए। जैसे कि ये प्रकाश का पर्व है। हाँ। तो हमें अपने अंदर भी अच्छाइयों को लाना चाहिए और जितनी भी नकारात्मक ऊर्जा है उसको बाहर निकालना चाहिए। जैसे कि हमें इस मतलब आओ एक प्रण करें कि हमें कुछ ना कुछ इस दिवाली पे करना है। जैसे कि गरीबों की मदद करना। एंड
Coming to the next question of mine, guys, I don't want to take much of your time, but coming to the direct question of mine, I want to know from you. Actually, this platform where we are sitting, that is known as Gold Classes. So this institution was initiated with a mission, with a purpose to teaching English to the students. That was the motive I started this institution, and I mean to say the language we speak, be it our native language is Hindi, but we are promoting English over here on this particular platform. So I want to know from you, this language plays important role or not? This is I want to know your opinion about that. Please go ahead and talk to me in that direction a little bit.
Yeah, of course, sir. If I talk about English, it's tough for me in the beginning, but after joining this institute, I feel like better day by day. Back in the days, when I came here, I was totally confused how to express my words,
Yeah.
uh, how to speak something.
But this is a platform where I try to give them a platform to the students. They always come with a hope, and they always fulfill their desires, and they finally speak something at last, upon the completion of their courses. So firstly, please tell me a little bit more that what motivated you to come up and to join this institution. Please talk to me a little bit about this institute as well. This is what my question to you is. Yeah.
Yeah, of course, sir. In order to answer your question, uh, as far as we know, English is most important for us, just because it connects us globally.
Yeah.
And I had keen interest in English. That's why I joined this institute.
Yeah. Okay.
When it comes to our gold classes, it's one of the best platforms in Jaunpur,
Yeah.
where where I improve my communicative skills. I I have learned so many things. Like,
What do you want to say in the conclusion to my audience, because they are watching this video, and please tell us something for the conclusion part of this conversation.
yeah, of course, sir. I'm so grateful to you for providing me this opportunity,
Yeah.
and thank you so much to all of you for listening me.
Okay, so guys, this was just the general conversation we have had today before the grand celebration of Deepawali, and I hope you will be enjoying your day, and you will be excited as well for the grand celebration of Deepawali, the festival of lights. So wish you all the best. Let us celebrate Deepavali this year in a very different way. And the message that I want to give from here, this platform of yours, I want to say, try to make some positive changes in your life. That is the message I have for you. So turn your lights on, like whatever darkness you had in your life in the beginning, try to remove them with your small efforts, and definitely you will reach to a destination where you actually want to go. So that is my clear message to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us meet again. Thank you so much.
Last of all, happy Diwali to all of you.